Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Calendly payments with Stripe for bookings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Calendly payments with Stripe for bookings, start by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the Integrations section on the left sidebar. In the Integrations panel, find and select Stripe. Click on the Connect button next to the Stripe integration option. A new window will prompt you to sign in to your Stripe account. Enter your email and password and click Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as required. Once logged in, review the permissions that Calendly requests from Stripe. Click Authorize access to this account to grant permissions. You will be redirected back to the Calendly integrations page, confirming that Stripe is connected. Next, go to your event types in Calendly. Select the event type for which you want to enable payments. In the event type settings, find the Collect Payments section. Toggle the Collect Payments option to enable it. Choose the currency you wish to accept for the bookings. Set your price for the event by entering the amount in the designated field. Once you've set your pricing, save the changes to your event type. Now, test the booking process to ensure payments are functioning correctly. Visit your event link as a potential client would. Complete the booking process, ensuring the Stripe payment flow works smoothly. If successful, you will see a confirmation message indicating the booking is confirmed and payment is processed. Remember to check your Stripe dashboard for transaction details. You are now fully set up to accept payments through Calendly using Stripe for your bookings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.